What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Makai in the building. Now, before I start the video, I've been thinking for a couple days, what idea should I make for another vid? And I'm still lost. So I thought maybe I just turn on the camera and just need to come up with a plan. That's all I need is a plan. I have an idea. I have an idea. Now, I don't know what y'all rocking today, but you know what I'm saying? I got the little bourbon action, you know what I'm saying? I got the, you know what I'm saying? I got the toes out, you know what I'm saying? I got the toes out. And that's Jaya, we gotta film. We gotta film a YouTube video. The people been asking. The people have been asking. We gotta get a mukbang, boot gay, whole lot of, but no, we gotta get it in.
When?
Now.
Why now?
Get up, brush your teeth, do all that. I'm making the food.
You're making food?
Yes.
What?
What?
What are you making?
Breakfast.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. I'm back. I had to wake her up and get her here so she can do this. She's still not invested into the video. Hey!
I'm noting.
Move that to the side. Oh, you're noting.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I did tell you. Yeah. Say what's up to the people. What the heck was that? Okay, we gotta get you in frame because you're not in frame. There you go. All right. So we're doing a mukbang, boot gang. I don't know how to say it. But anyways, I made us some eggs, some toast, got some orange juice. You feel me?
No!
What?
You have to use that fork.
Okay.
It's gross. No, lick. It's gross.
Anyways, we got a would you rather. I got 7 would you rathers. She got 7 would you rathers. Let's get it. I'm gonna let you go first.
So for the basic one, would you rather fetus hands or hands feet?
What the heck? You using some common ones.
Yeah,
But I'd rather
basic
have
ones.
okay. Rather have hands as feet. The reason why is because I'm gonna be a monkey. Monkeys, they look like they got hands as feet. And plus I have big hands, so we'll kinda really substitute that for me. What would you rather have?
Fetus hands.
Fetus hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather sing every time you open your mouth or never talk again?
Never talk again.
Why?
Because y'all hear me sing enough.
That's on you. Now you gotta go out there and do that to the people. So you're just never gonna speak again. That's sad.
It's not gonna happen.
No. I'm about to sing to get my point across. Run to the stars. You know what I mean? And get some tonight. If you hitting it, especially when your money ain't right. Ow.
Why are you here?
What?
Why are you here?
What do you mean, why am I here?
You have to feel good.
I'm off.
It's Wednesday. I mean, Thursday. Would you rather have no teeth or have teeth, but they're big? Like really big.
Have no teeth. Just be having gums.
You can't bite anything.
So?
Don't you want to bite something?
No.
An apple or a peach?
First of all,
Cherry?
I don't eat neither of those things.
But if you were to eat those, wait,
neither of those
pause.
things.
If you were to eat those things, you need your teeth.
I don't eat neither of those things. You use. This has nothing on. This has no seasoning on it. I forgot to put seasoning in it. I wanna be like those people with no teeth. Every time they laugh, they just stick their tongue out. They laugh like.
That's grandma. That's what grandma does.
I got a good one. Would you rather have 8 arms or 8 legs?
8 arms. I
Why?
can do multiple things at once since I'm slow.
You are slow. Very slow.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't eaten all day.
It's only 10:44.
I've been up since 4 a.m. I couldn't sleep. Your turn.
Would you rather be famous and not get what you want, or be famous and be alone in business?
Be famous and be alone. I don't even. Me and my friend Nate actually was talking about this the other day. He said he wants to be famous because he likes the attention and all that stuff. Mm-hmm. But I was telling him that all that stuff, you're going to get sick of it. People are constantly trying to figure out what you're doing. People are constantly out there trying to say things that you didn't do and stuff like that. That's what happens when you're famous. I don't like being famous. I don't want to be famous. But yeah, I would rather be famous than be alone. We've done 3, right? 3 questions apiece?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Would you rather sit in class smelling socks or with sweaty armpits?
They're both really bad. Smelly socks. I don't want to be musty. It's just disgusting.
But if you have smelly socks, you can't even fix that, even if you wanted to.
Take them off.
That's the only thing. Let's see what else. Well, yeah, with no, that's hypothetical. Yeah, you could take them off. I see what you're saying. I was gonna say you can take off your t-shirt and switch t-shirts, but that's being hypothetical. Because who's bringing 2 t-shirts to school?
And plus, the other one can't fix it. Either put cologne or perfume.
No, none of that works. You have to take a shower. We're on 4 or something.
4.
We're on 4? Okay. This is a good one. Would you rather read a book or watch TV?
I don't like watching TV. I don't like reading books either.
I don't.
Well, I don't watch TV
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You don't watch TV, but you watch TV.
I watch Netflix.
Okay. I'd rather watch TV.
I watch TV.
Okay, okay. Number 5.
Would you rather dance your emotions or sing your emotions?
Sing. What is...
Why?
Oh, because I kind of already do that, and I don't think I can dance, nor do I think I can sing, but I guess I can do better with the singing. What? 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 See, this right here. Okay.
Can't listen to those right now.
We're filming. You went to a whole text message. I saw
I
that.
did.
Would you rather be best friends with your favorite celebrity and win $1 million?
Best friends with my favorite celebrity.
And who is that?
Beyonce.
Beyonce. I wouldn't want to be best friends with my favorite celebrity.
Or my favorite actor, Tom Holland.
I want $1 million. I can invest that and try to make more money off of it. Then I'm gonna be a celebrity, and then I can meet celebrity. Nah, not kidding. But I will want $1 million because there's a lot of stuff you can do with $1 million. I don't. You can meet celebrities later, the people too. What number are we on right now? We're on 5 or 6.
5.
Are we 5 going into 6 or we're going into 5?
See, you did 2
I did?
on my turn.
Okay, so you do too.
Mm-hmm. Would you rather play a sport you hate or a sport you're not good at?
Play a sport that I'm not good at. Because in that way, my competitive nature, I will want to get better. What are you doing?
Noting! I am noting! I'm coming with these from the brain.
Okay.
Are you so allergic?
You know this is going on YouTube.
Yes.
It's going on YouTube.
Yes.
You are saying that you are asking me how to spell allergic? That's Pepe Julian. Thank you for coming in today.
Okay, would you rather eat what you hate or eat what you're allergic to?
Oh my god. What? I'm not allergic to any foods. I guess eat what I hate because I don't. Oh man, I'm so picky with food though. That's the thing.
I'm not allergic to pineapple.
And yet you still eat them.
No, I don't. I haven't ate them in a while.
Yeah. So we was on 5 and I asked 2, so
We're on
that's 6.
6.
But you just asked your 6th question.
Oh, so I'm 7.
So this is the last one. Okay. Last question for both of us, and we're gonna get up out of here. I don't even know how long this video is, but Oh, this is a really good one. Would you rather eat a rotten egg or expired yogurt from the fridge? You will not get sick off of this. You would just have to taste it.
Expired yogurt.
I feel like expired yogurt would taste like buttermilk.
Oh my goodness.
You remember when we did that? That is well, actually, we could tell that. There was a time me and her was really bored, and we wanted to just go in the fridge and just drink something. We went in there and we got buttermilk, and we poured it to like it was a tall glass. I was thinking it was tasting like eggnog. I don't know what she was thinking. Because it was thick. The way it looked like eggnog to me. So I was like, okay, it's eggnog. That was the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted in my
I thought it was
life.
gonna taste like butter.
It did.
No, it didn't.
What did it taste like?
Expired milk.
That's probably what it is, isn't it? No, that's eggnog. Eggnog is expired milk, I think. But that was so disgusting.
And Dad likes that stuff.
He drinks it
He used to.
like in a cup.
I don't know if it was in a cup, but he used to drink it.
So did he like cook with it?
Mm-mm.
What the heck?
I want to say he drank it though.
Hey! You know what? So the camera died. So yeah. But we're back and I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. We got some more stuff coming on the way, so stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video.
Back.
Forget about that. We're out. I'm gonna see y'all.